Deep in the Namib Desert, a mysterious phenomenon has puzzled scientists and locals for decades. Thousands of strange circular patches known as fairy circles dot the landscape. But what causes them? Is it nature's hidden secret, or something even more mysterious? Let's find out. Fairy circles are barren, circular patches of land surrounded by a ring of tall grass. They can range from a few feet to over 20 feet in diameter and stretch for hundreds of miles across the Namib Desert. What's strange is that no plants grow inside these circles, and their formation remains an unsolved mystery. One leading theory suggests that sand termites are responsible. These insects burrow underground, eating plant roots and creating circular barren patches. Over time, rainwater accumulates beneath the surface, allowing surrounding grass to flourish. Another theory is based on plant competition. Scientists believe that plants arrange themselves in patterns to maximize water absorption, leading to the formation of evenly spaced circles. To the Himba people, these circles have a more mystical explanation. Some believe they are the footprints of their gods, while others say they are created by a dragon's breath scorching the earth. After decades of research, we are still left with more questions than answers. Are these circles a masterpiece of nature's design, a hidden language of the desert, or evidence of something far beyond our current understanding? Science continues to search for the truth, but the desert keeps its secrets well. Until we uncover definitive proof, the mystery of Namibia's fairy circles remains one of the most perplexing natural enigmas on Earth. Will we ever solve it? Or will it forever be an unsolved puzzle, lost in the sands of time?